Hello friends, in this video we will understand how to illustrate typecasting in C programming. Typecasting is nothing but converting the data type of a variable from one type to another to solve an expression and give the accurate result. So let us begin here. The first line of the program says #include stdio.h, which means I want to include a standard input output header file so I can use built-in functions like printf, scanf and so on in my program. Int main is the entry point of my program, so whenever the program will be executed, the control will begin from the main function and the code written inside the parenthesis will be executed. I have created two integer variables, n1 with value 5 and n2 with value 2. So n1 and n2 are two integers holding 5 and 2 values respectively. I have another variable div with float as its data type. So as we all know, float data type can hold the value with the decimal numbers. Now let's say I have div equals to n1 divided by n2. Ideally 5 divided by 2, I should get the result as 2.5. But in this line we are dividing two integers, because of which two integers are divided and only result 2 will be getting from this division and value is given to div. However, as div is of a float type, you will get the result as 2.0. So before typecasting, the division we will get would be 2.0. Now this is a data loss for me because I am not getting 0.5 result out of it. So I will go with the explicit typecasting of this expression. So I will go with the explicit typecasting method. In this expression n1 divided by n2, I can put float as its typecasted value either to numerator or denominator. Here in this case we are giving it to numerator n1, float to be written in a pair of parentheses. So only for this expression the value of n1 will be treated as 5.0 divided by 2. Now in this case I will get 2.5 as its result and the value will be given to div variable. After calculating, I am printing it again. Say after typecasting, the division is %.2f comma div. Now this %.2f says the width specifier, how many digits you want after decimal point. So %.2 says I want 2 digits after decimal. Return 0 says the program is successfully terminated and coming back to IDE. Let us check the output of it. So to execute the program, go to build, click on build and run, and the console output window will be loaded here. So as you can see, we get the result as before typecasting. We did not make any changes in the expression, so we are getting 2.0. And after typecasting, where I said numerator to be treated as float, it is giving me 2.50. So this is how the data can be saved from the data loss after typecasting, and we can get accurate and precise result after executing the expression. So this is the importance of creating or using typecasting feature in C programming. I hope you understood this program very well. You can try out unsolved programs list given at the end of the video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you so much. Keep practicing.